So question, who's your Valentine?
The one sleeping right here. And the stinky one right here. Yeah, you ugly.
Hello DESFAM and welcome to another DESFAM family adventure. Today we are here back at the Disneyland Resort. We're at Disney's California Adventure, and today I and my family are celebrating the most cutest and the sweetest and most loving day of the year, Valentine's Day. And what best than to bring my queen,
You guys.
and my princess, say hi, say hi, to Disneyland today. And today we're gonna have one of the cutest days out of the year. Are you ready for it, baby?
Ready.
Let's do it too. And here we go, guys. So join us on another DESFAM family adventure. Let's go. All right, guys. So this is the last time we're gonna be walking this route, because on February 23rd, the trams are coming back to the Disneyland Resort.
Woo, finally.
That's right. The trams are finally coming back. So no more walking from the Mickey and Friends parking structure all the way down to the main entrances of the parks. Ooh, yeah.
All right, guys, so we're in line right now to take a little photo op at the Magic Key stand here. It's right at the front of Disney's California Adventures. It's Magic Key month, all of February. So they have cute little stations around the park. So we're gonna check this one out first.
That photo session was awesome. And just remember, guys, all of February is
Magic Key celebration.
Appreciation Month. So Disney is doing all kinds of cool stuff throughout the whole entire park, and then they're giving the key pass holders really cool little incentives to become a member. So it's really awesome, guys. Make sure you guys you come down and you guys take advantage of all the cool little stuff that they have going on. Oh, and plus today, it is the last day of the Lunar New Year celebration here at Disney's California Adventure. So we're here to take our one last advantage of it before it ends. What did you get, honey? Let me see. Let me see. Show everybody. What did you get?
Untitled.
Oh yeah? You like it?
I like it.
You love it?
Let's open. Yeah.
So what is it, mommy? What did we get, baby?
She picked up the Encanto Isabel doll. There's a whole lot of everything. She's getting popular.
So one quick thing I forgot to mention, guys, is that today is also Super Bowl Sunday. And they have this ESPN set up here at Disney's California Adventure. It looks like they're already taking it down. So this is a place right in front of the Pixar Pier where they used to have the performing arts during the Christmas and during the Lunar New Year. So looks like it's coming down. So guys, we just had an amazing meal at the One Country Tutteria. Make sure to check out our video that we got coming up next, so you guys can see our entire review, a complete review on that. The food was excellent, guys. That's all I gotta say. Watch the video to learn more. It was a freaking amazing dining experience. So now we're on a mission for commission today. We're looking for an Encanto dress for my beautiful girl Lele. She's been asking for one. She wants to look like Maribel for her birthday. We're trying to find one, so we'll see what we can do.
Look how cute this is, guys. It's totally a throwback for me. I have to have it. It's super cute. It's Lizzie McGuire.
Do you want it, honey?
I kind of need it.
You need it?
Kind of need it.
All right, let's go. Let's take it. Let's go. Let's do it. Sold. All right, so we're back here at Disneyland Park. We're on our way right now to the Tropical Hideaway to try the new watermelon and cherry.
Excited.
It's a Dole Whip or ice cream?
It's a Dole Whip.
Nice.
Watermelon and cherry for Valentine's Day. It's so cute.
I'm not really sure what it is, but I'm sure it's gonna be good. Let's go give it a try, guys. check out the line just to get into the Tropical Hideaway. It goes all the way back there, all the way in there, and all the way around. Wow.
Alright guys, so we're in line. We're waiting for the new Valentine's Day Dole Whip. It's supposed to be like watermelon and cherry. And I think it's only here till tomorrow, if I'm not mistaken, till Valentine's Day. But we've been seeing it everywhere. We want to give it a try. So come with us as we order it.
And look at who we spotted, ladies and gentlemen. Ordinary Adventures. Ordinary Adventures, yay! Let us know how it is. Let us know how it is. We're gonna try it next.
Alright guys, here we are. Valentine Swirl.
Thank you so much, my man. Thank you.
Alright.
Alright guys, we finally got it. The Valentine's Day Swirl. It's watermelon Dole Whip and cherry Dole Whip with sprinkles. It usually comes like a little butterfly gummy, but of course I dropped it on the way. I know. Well, let's give it a shot and see how it tastes.
Hey, they got spoons, lady.
It's so good.
Yeah, I bet.
You're gonna have to get your own.
I heard it's perfect for sharing with your sweetheart, right?
I don't think so. Not this one.
Yeah, really? Wow. All right.
It's really good.
Yeah.
Wanna try it?
I'll try it. All right, let's see. Perfect for sharing, huh?
You thought.
I don't want it anymore.
More for me.
Found this one instead. You got right? Give me some.
It tastes like,
That is like a Starburst.
yeah, like a Starburst. Like
That is
Starburst.
so good.
It's so good, huh?
You can eat that for days. Give me some of that.
Really good.
That is really good. Really
Too
good.
bad Laylay's sleeping. We're gonna have to probably come back and grab her one because she would have loved it. She's knocked out.
She had a rough day. Eating snacks, eating good, being at Disneyland, you know, rough day. Rough day.
The hard life.
Hard life.
Alright guys, we're here at Rancho Zacalacalorio, whatever.
Chocolate. At
We're
Disneyland.
gonna get the horchata cold brew.
The Horchata.
Horchata.
Horchata. Cold brew. Let's give that a try.
Alright guys, we got the horchata cold brew. I think there might be a shortage on whipped cream though because they got a little cheap with it, but let's go ahead and give it a try.
Oh, everybody's always getting cheap with it. Come on now.
It looks strong.
Just eat the damn
I'm kinda
thing.
Scared. Eat it?
Yeah, just eat the damn thing.
Or drink
it,
it.
whatever. Is it horchata-ness? Can you taste the
Good.
horchata?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's kind of like cinnamony, creamy. It's not super strong. It's sweet. It's good. I like it. Not bad. Good evening pick me up. Not bad, guys. Give it a shot. I'm gonna be cracked out after this though. That's a lot of coffee. Alright guys, we got this Lobster Mac and Cheese from Pelican's Landing. It looks massive. It looks so good. I heard nothing but good things about this, so we're gonna give it a shot. See how it tastes. Looks good. It's really good. Kind of tastes like a lobster bisque, but like spicy. It's really good.
It looks super hearty.
It's really good. We're gonna try.
My turn. So let's give this mac and cheese, lobster mac and cheese a try.
You're not gonna want to give it back.
It's inside of a bread bowl, sourdough bowl here at Disneyland. Perfect for a Disneyland sunset type of meal or snack, or in between meal, whatever you want to call it. Out of everything we've eaten here at Disneyland throughout our whole entire life, This is the only thing that tastes like it's actually homemade. Doesn't it?
Yeah, it's really good.
You're right, it has a little kick at the end. You can taste the lobster. The mac and cheese is perfect. Cheese is good. Sourdough bread. Of course, this is not my favorite. It just pairs so well. Good job, Disney. Good job. What was that you said?
Like the more that I eat it, it's like one of the best things I've ever tried at Disneyland. It's pretty good. My arm. How do the pirates come? Lily. Leia. Hey.
Lily.
Lily. What do the pirates say?
Hi.
Arr. Arr. They have hooks for their hands, and they go and they say, "Armies, arr, arr."
Anchor now, you swabbies. What may I offer for these hearty heads? Everyone an egg lady. Without a look at this here.
Thank you.
Yummy.
Yummy, I love you. I love you. All right, DESFAM. So our day has come to an end. Hope everybody had a very romantic and pleasant and very cute Valentine's Day weekend. Did you?
It did. Yeah, it was a lot of fun. Got on a lot of rides. Enjoyed a nice weekend out with my family.
There you go, guys. So there it is.
Over here.
There it is. Although we didn't get to try all the stuff we wanted to try, all the Valentine stuff, some of the stuff was actually sold out. Unfortunately, we had a little tough time looking for some of the stuff. And also, you know, park was a little busy, you know, for Super Bowl weekend and all that, but it's all good, guys. So make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Make sure to follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and on our Patreon account. The Des Family, guys, we'll see you guys on the next visit and next adventure on our Des Family Adventures, guys. You guys have a good one. Take care, guys. Much love. Peace out. Oh, wait. Someone else say bye. Say bye, baby. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Have a good one, guys. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.